and this is Doc's Boost, and I've got a great video for you today. But before we get started, I want to thank everyone for their support and understanding while everyone in my household was navigating COVID-19. Yes, we all contracted it, but it's now in our rearview mirror with the added benefit of some natural immunity. Yay! We couldn't be in a better space right now. So on with the show. This video is total immersion of all the action, sounds, and excitement surrounding everyone taking part in the no-fly zone event at the Gila Bend Airport. But remember to subscribe and like before we begin, because it really does matter. If you're not familiar with the event, it's a timed half-mile run with traps set on both ends of the runway at the Gila Bend Airport. That's flat-out balls-to-the-wall fun no matter how you dice it. Action all around you from start to finish, run after run after run. No limit on how many times you can run. I got 20 runs in, and that's kind of low for me. I usually get 25 to 30 runs in a single event on a single day. So turn up your speakers and enjoy. Today we're here at Gila Bend Airport. We're going to be doing some timed half-mile runs all day long. Stay tuned right here, Doc's Boost, for some more Gila Bend action in a half-mile no-fly zone. Stay cool, stay calm. Alright, just gonna wind it up for Doc's Boost here at No Fly Zone. We're gonna run out there. We're gonna do about 5, maybe 6 more runs. It's getting late in the afternoon. That's gonna put us somewhere near 20, I think, total runs. And hey, we'll see if we can just stick in the 140s to see how big and bad we can do this thing before we go. But we'll see if we can make it go a little bit better. I've been starting out in second gear, and that's doing a big difference for me. In the left lane this time. Which one? Left. Thank you. Left side. Stay smooth. You're looking good. Don't worry about the other guy. I don't care. On the right side. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Great time. Engines rolling all around, cars lining up, revving engines, burning tires. They heat them up before their runs. The superchargers whining all around you all day long. It was just chaotic, beautiful sound and noises. What an amazing day. What an amazing event. Life doesn't get any better than this. I had a boatload of runs in the 140s, with the best run topping out at 151. And with 410 gears and no NOS, that's pretty damn good. I do have a pedal commander installed, and I was jacking with those settings continuously all day long and starting out in second gear, which was a great benefit when reaching for my top speeds. I know California, Texas, Colorado, and many other states have similar events, and some of them are 1 mile runs. Find one, sign up, you won't regret it. Well, that's about it for this video, but don't forget to subscribe and click the like button before you finish, because it really does matter. Also share some of the best moments if you were at this event or an event like this in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.